Oh, how are we today? Hey, look, hey, it's pirate time, eh? Ah, yes, a wonderful pirate time. It's the Pirates Review of the Pirates' favorite pistol. This will be it right here, mateys. This will be the one, yes, this will be the one. A pirate's favorite it is. Notice me little cap on the end. All right, let's get down to serious business. First of all, seriously, this eye patch, piece of leather, you take the spoon, a big spoon, like a teaspoon, I don't have one down here, but take a spoon, trace around it, get you a nice piece of leather, leave it a little oblong, but it's kind of a spoon shape, get you a leather piece of string, tie it off on one end, slip it through on the other. That's all you got to do to adjust it. And then when you get done, you got a flat piece of leather. Well, take it and bend it over a broom handle and hold it on there so it makes it, it puts a pocket in it. So it's got the pocket, like you can see the pocket, and that way it doesn't touch your eye or anything or irritate you. That's how you do an eye patch. If you want one for dressing up and going out, enjoying yourself, a little cosplay or any of that kind of stuff like that. So anyway, I decided to do a review of this here pistol, which is, well, you know, pretty nice. Your double barrel, yeah. Nice. Hey, do some double barrel stuff. Okay, so this guy here, I really liked him. I think he's amazing. Piece of craftsmanship. A little more expensive than your normal Flintlock pistol. It's got them two barrels. I shot it one day a little bit. This here, well, let me just tell you what I think about it. It has a brace here across the back of the barrel, so it threads down in, it holds it down in there pretty good. It's got some catches. This barrel on the right side, I trust that barrel. This one on the left side, I think if you take and would plug the touch hole and fill this one with water, you wouldn't have any problem. This one over here, probably leak. And I don't know if they're all that way or not, but it did kind of deter me from wanting to buy a double barrel Flintlock shotgun. I was like, well, if they're all like that, I don't know. I don't know if I'd trust that. The teeny ramrod, ain't too bad. But yeah, that's the double barrel one. We've cracked it off a few times. It's got the smaller locks, so it takes the smaller flints in there. It's nice and shiny. Got a little cap there. It's just brass, it don't have anything in it. That's kind of like the tugboat of pistols, nice and wide on the bottom. I suppose it'd make a good club just as well after you took your couple of shots. So I guess we could test it and see how it sparks. I'd turn the lights out here and show you what kind of spark I get out of that running the regular flint. That's what's on there. Regular old flint. This first trigger, it was a bit of a bear to pull. I mean a bear. It was a bear. But it depends on how you pull it as to how well it does. But that's how she sparks. Hey, I don't think she sparks too bad. But like I said, it's kind of a novelty piece, and the pirates used it. The Pirates of the Caribbean, when Jack Sparrow is in the coffin and he comes out and he shoots the crow off the top of the coffin. It's one of these that he shoots it with, if you've seen that movie. Which, you know, gives us the piratey theme here today. Well, anyway, that's a little bit of a review on the double barrel Flintlock pistol. Take that baby out and crack it off a few times as soon as I get a chance. Have some fun with it. It's a nice piece. It's not too bad at all. Other than, like I said, I don't think you'd have to go a long way to get it to come apart. I imagine you'd have to really OD on your powder and stuff like that. But this here one barrel, the way it's plugged and everything, I was not a fan, but I liked it. And when I drill them, I usually don't, well, I take the locks off, but I don't usually pull the barrel. So in some cases, before you drill them, you might want to think about that. But then again, remember, you might chip your wood too, so you got to be real careful with the wood and everything. It's not hard to do that. You don't want that to happen. And remember, if you order one of these from them guys, you get to pay the return shipping if you want to send it back. So it'll cost you a little money to send it back. You'll get most of your money back anyway, because they pay the shipping. They're not going to want to pay it just because you don't happen to like it. All right, well, hey, everybody have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see what else I can come up with. Soon, hopefully, we'll have some shooting going on and some other goofing around. And don't forget to make yourself an eye patch, matey.